Everyone, myself Ram Krishna Suresh Shinde, currently studying in second year of BTech Electronics in Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli. Today I am going to demonstrate you the practical of frequency response of non-inverting amplifier in Proteus software. So let's get started and open the Proteus software. Click on yes. Software is opening. Click on new project. Give the project name as a non-inverting frequency response. Okay, click on next. Now it is asking for creating schematic in templates. So I'm keeping it as a default template. You can select any template. Click on next. uh, in this project we are not required to create the PCB layout, so I am selecting this do not create a PCB layout. uh, in this project we are only using the 741 IC and some resistors and one voltmeter for measuring the output. So it is not necessary to use any firmware, so keep it as a no firmware project. Click on finish. uh, in our project it is required 1741 IC and two resistors, one for feedback resistor and one for input resistor, and one graph. So uh, let's add that components from library. Type here 741 IC is appeared here. So select this, select resistor from here, and for powering up the circuit we will require one battery. We will generate double polarity supply from this single polarity battery, means single battery. For non-inverting amplifier, let's Y mirror this IC, select the resistor, place it at inverting terminal, place one resistor at feedback, wired that resistors, select the default terminal, place that terminal here. This whole circuit is now power supply circuit. Give this name as VCC, give name to this as VEE. Now take one default terminal, rotate it, place it here, give the name as VEE. Give name as VCC. Now this VEE is virtually connected to the 4 number pin of IC, and this VCC is virtually connected to the 7 number pin of IC. Let's change the voltages to 12 volt, sorry, 12 volt. Let's change this voltage also to 12 volt. Now this circuit is generating plus minus 12 volt supply. This VCC is generating plus 12 volt and this V generating minus 12 volt supply. Let's place one ground terminal to the non in sorry, it is place one ground terminal to the inverting terminal resistor. Connect it. Now go to the generator mode and choose sine wave. uh, Give the voltage as 3 volt, frequency as 10 hertz. For checking the output of frequency response, we will require one graph. So that go to the graph mode and click on frequency, drag and draw the graph here. double click on graph. So we are taking this frequency response with respect to this input signal. This input signal is U1 POS IP. So select that signal from here. uh, you can change also the start frequency and stop frequency, but I am keeping it as default. Click on OK. Now go to the add traces mode, and here we have to select the output port. So at the output we have not placed any voltage probe, so it is required to place one voltage probe at the output. So place it here and connect with wire. Its name is U1 OP. So select that from add traces mode, go to the probe, and U1 OP is appeared here. Select that, click on OK, and now just click on simulate graph. The graph is simulated. Sorry, click on the maximize show window. You can zoom in and zoom out this graph. Now so total gain is 6 minus 3 is 3. So here our cutoff frequency is 5000 K. So we have successfully completed this practical of frequency response. Thank you.